Hello, this is Marina, and this video is about setting up a collaborative course in a session model for teachers. So everything started on week 2 or 3, if I'm not mistaken, when we had to create the groups, to form the groups, yes, team formation, and each member of the course suggested a topic, and according to the interests, the groups were formed. So I was lucky to join the group that was making a course on teaching English to teenagers, and my main students at the moment are kids and teenagers. So we agreed on the topic and on the level, and actually the discussion, we had a discussion during week 4, at the very beginning of week 4, and we actually started by discussing who the target audience of our course will be, and well, this is the place where our discussion was held. So the girls suggested very detailed plan or steps of the plan, and so we followed the plan. Then Olga suggested a topic, schools, consisting of 6 units, according to the number of members in a group. So everybody agreed on the topic. Then we agreed on the age, as I've already said, on the age. The course is for teenagers from 14 to 16 years old, and the level of English is B1. So we agreed. We actually distributed the units. Each of us took one unit to elaborate, and after that this was a long discussion. Oh, actually, yes, we also established a way to communicate, and this was WhatsApp, which I believe was the best way to communicate, because communication was very smooth, very far, and the feedback from the girls was really very, very fast, and everybody in the team was very helpful. And thank you once again so much for that. It was very, very nice to work on this project together. Well, after we agreed on all the important issues, we started elaborating the course, which was called General Course for Teenagers, and here it is. As I have already said, it consists of 6 units: schools in the Western world today, history of schools, negative things about schools, positive things about schools, schools in the future, and let's create a perfect school. And here there is also a sharing card where all the members could put some materials they thought would be necessary for somebody else to use. Well, so schools in the Western world today. This topic was elaborated by Maria, and I've forgotten to say that we have also chosen a course logo, which I think is very nice, and it reflects actually the general idea of our course. Then history of schools. Biljana was working on the unit history of schools. Gabriela was working on negative things about schools, while I was working on positive things about schools. Ella chose the topic schools in the future, and Olga completed the final unit, creating a perfect school. Well, I believe that this perfect school is like a reflection of our perfect collaboration on the course. Thank you so much.